This is exciting news. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 8 is about to get a monstrous power upgrade, and it has everything to do with a super exclusive chip. We're talking about a special version of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, not the regular one, that's tipped to be faster and more power efficient. If these rumors are true, this is how Samsung's next foldable could leapfrog the competition. The big story here is the chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, which we already expect to see in phones like the Galaxy S26 next year. But according to a report from New Daily out of Korea, Samsung is trying to make things much more complicated in a good way. Samsung has reportedly passed samples of the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 to Qualcomm, but with one major difference. They were made in Samsung's own silicon foundry. That's noteworthy because Qualcomm usually relies on a different company, TSMC, to build its chips. Now here's the key technical advantage. The Samsung-made chip uses an advanced 2-nanometer process, which is an upgrade from the 3-nanometer process that the TSMC version of the chip will be built on. In theory, this smaller process should make Samsung's version of the chip both more powerful and more power efficient than the regular one. These special in-house Samsung chips will apparently be made for phones launching later in 2026, specifically the Galaxy Z Flip 8. And if it's true for the Flip, we'd also expect the Galaxy Z Fold 8 to use it. However, all of this is dependent on Qualcomm giving its blessing. That support relies on those sample chips being high enough quality, which is why they were requested in the first place. The good news? New Daily claims analysts have a positive outlook for Samsung's foundry, despite some past manufacturing trouble. So why does this whole scenario matter? Well, Samsung won't be the first to use the new flagship chip. Phones like the OnePlus 15 and the Xiaomi 17 series are expected to launch earlier. But Samsung already benefits from getting a higher speed 4 Galaxy version of each flagship chip before a generic leading version goes to other brands later. Being able to build its own, more advanced 2-nanometer version builds on this advantage even further. It may also lead to a lower parts bill for Samsung, which could help keep phone prices down for us, the consumers. But which phones actually get this coveted 2-nanometer Elite Gen 5 chip is still uncertain. Samsung is also building its own Exynos 2600, which is also tipped to be built on a 2-nanometer process. When you consider that the Galaxy Z Flip 7 used an Exynos 2500, and there are rumors that certain Galaxy S26 models will use Exynos instead of Snapdragon, it really is up in the air exactly how Samsung will put these homemade Snapdragon chips to use. Ultimately, we'll have to wait and see what the rumors tell us next, or for an official announcement from the company. But it could be a long wait, potentially until early or midway through next year, which is the typical launch timing for new Samsung foldables. For now, this 2-nanometer custom chip is the monstrously powerful upgrade that could define the Galaxy Z Flip 8. Let me know your thoughts down in the comments. Are you excited about this potential power boost? If you found this breakdown helpful, please hit that like button and, of course, subscribe for more expert analysis on the latest in tech. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.